Sponsored by VSK Job Consultant. FAQ. Marketing and Sales Interview. FAQ section. Q1. Employer. Tell me about yourself and why you are interested in a marketing, sales role. Job seeker. Thank you. I'm a years of experience marketing, sales professional with a proven track record in mention 1 to 2 key areas of expertise. I'm passionate about mention a relevant interest in marketing, sales, and I'm particularly drawn to marketing, sales because explain your motivation and what excites you about the field. Q2. Employer. What do you understand about our company and the role you are applying for? Job seeker. I've researched your company name and understand you are a leader in mention the company's industry or a key aspect of their business in Chennai. This marketing, sales role, as I understand it, involves mention 1 to 2 key responsibilities from the job description, which aligns well with my skills in mention relevant skills. Q3. Employer. Describe your experience with lead generation and the sales process, if applicable. Job seeker. In my previous role at previous company, I was responsible for explain your involvement in lead generation methods. Regarding the sales process, I follow up, describe your approach, e.g., consultative, relationship-based method, focusing on understanding client needs and providing tailored solutions. Q4. Employer. How do you stay updated on the latest marketing trends and sales techniques relevant to the Chennai market? Job seeker. I regularly follow mention relevant industry publications, online resources, or local market news. I also believe in continuous learning through webinars and networking to stay informed about the evolving landscape in Chennai. Q5. Employer. Can you give an example of a successful marketing campaign or sales achievement you were involved in? Job seeker. Certainly. At previous company, I described the campaign, achievement, your role, and the key strategies involved. This resulted in quantifiable positive outcome, if possible, ideally mentioning impact in the Chennai market if relevant. Q6. Employer. How do you handle challenges or setbacks in marketing or sales? Job seeker. I approach challenges with a problem-solving mindset. I analyze the situation to identify the root cause, develop potential solutions, and implement the best course of action. I see setbacks as learning opportunities for future improvement. Q7. Employer. What are your strengths that would make you successful in this marketing, sales role? Job seeker. My key strengths include mention 2 to 3 relevant strengths like communication skills, analytical abilities, persuasive skills, understanding of the local market. For example, briefly illustrate a strength with a relevant example. Q8. Employer. What are your salary expectations for this role in Chennai? Job seeker. Based on my research of similar roles in Chennai and my experience, I am looking for a salary in the range of, provide a realistic salary range in INR. I am also open to discussing the overall compensation package. Q9. Employer. Where do you see your career progressing in the next 3 to 5 years in a marketing, sales environment? Job seeker. In the next 3 to 5 years, I aim to grow my expertise in mention a specific area of marketing, sales, and contribute significantly to your company name's success in the Chennai market, potentially taking on more responsibility within the team. Q10. Employer. Do you have any questions for us? Job seeker. Yes, I do. Ask 1 to 2 thoughtful questions about the role, the team, the company's goals in Chennai, or opportunities for growth. Trust VSK Job Consultant to connect you with top talent and exciting career opportunities in Chennai. For further assistance, please contact us at 9840-336-999 or visit our website at www.vskbusinessconsultant.in. Stay connected. Subscribe to our YouTube channel Follow our WhatsApp channel, like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram.